Okay, in this video, it's only going to be a short one. It's to do with the notion or the use of legal searches when you're buying property. When you're buying property, your solicitor is going to have to carry out legal searches against the property and against the vendors and indeed against you. And so you need to understand what that cost is going to incur. It's only about 130 euros or thereabouts, and it will have to be done. Basically, it's a situation where the purchaser solicitor will carry out searches against the property and against the vendors and will see if there's anything come up. When I say searches, I'm talking about bankruptcy searches, judgment searches, searches for any personal insolvency arrangements, and that will be against the individuals, both the vendor and the purchaser, if the purchaser is borrowing money. Secondly, the search will be against the property itself. In other words, there'll be a land registry, property registration authority folio search, and the purpose of that search will be to find out if any judgments or anything has cropped up on the folio since the contracts were originally issued. So that would really be to deal with any mortgages or any charges hanging over the property or any unexplained burdens or events or happenings, that sort of thing. So that's what legal searches is about. It is an expense you're going to incur. It could range anything from 50 or 60 quid to 150 quid, depending on the property, depending on the many vendors, and depending on many purchasers, and depending obviously as well on whether you're borrowing money or not. But that's what legal searches are all about. So hope you find this video useful. That would be a situation where you are purchasing property. Legal searches have to be carried out, and they have to be carried out on the day of closing. Before or after is no good, must be on the day of closing. As I say, if you find this video useful, I would appreciate if you gave it the thumbs up down below. Thank you.